Once your account is created, you can proceed to set up two-factor authentication to secure your account. Start by logging into your KuCoin account. On your homepage, click on your profile icon, then select Account Security. Notice that your current security level is indicated as low. Aim to increase it to high. First, click on Bind next to Google Verification. Press Send Code. You will then receive a verification code by email. Copy and paste this code into the required field to continue. Download the Authenticator app or add its extension to your web browser. It's a simple and quick process. Copy the alphanumeric code, then open your Authenticator extension or app to set it up. Click on Edit, then add an account, and finally select Manual Entry. In the first field, enter a label like KuCoin. In the second field, paste the alphanumeric code you copied earlier. The app will generate a 6-digit code every 30 seconds. Make sure you have time to copy and paste it. After clicking Activate, the security level status should update to Medium. Now, click on Bind next to Phone. Enter your Google Authenticator code again, then click Continue. Indicate your country and phone number, then click Send Code. Your security level will still be on Medium. To increase it to high, click on Settings next to Trading Password. Once again, enter your Google Authenticator code, then click Next. Enter a 6-digit code, then click Confirm to finalize this last step. Congratulations, you have secured your KuCoin account. Optionally, you can enable facial recognition or fingerprint verification on your mobile app for enhanced security.